Hello students, now we will do Standard 6 NCERT Maths Chapter 4. Now, triangles. Now, we have learnt about lines, line segment, okay? And relating to two lines we have read about parallel lines and intersecting lines. Now coming to a figure containing three sides. Now you all know, if a figure contains three lines as shown in the figure, it is called a triangle. Okay, a three-sided figure is called a triangle. It is a closed figure. Okay, now a triangle has three sides, namely, as you see, AB, BC and CA are the three sides of the triangle ABC. Then it has three angles. An angle is formed in between two sides. Okay, so we say angle A, angle B and angle C are the three angles of the triangle ABC. Now, A, B and C are called the vertices of the triangle. Okay, now where the angle is formed, they are called the vertices. Now, a triangle has an exterior and interior part. Okay, now we see point P lies in the interior of the triangle. वो triangle के अंदर है. Okay, and point R is in the exterior of the triangle. And as you see, point Q, it is on the triangle. So, we can say point A, point B, point C, they are also on the triangle. Now, moving on to exercise 4.4. Question 1. Draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Mark a point P in its interior and a point Q in its exterior. Now he is asking you to draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC. Now I have drawn it. Okay. Then mark a point P in its interior. As I have shown, you can mark a point P in the interior and a point Q in its exterior. So outside the triangle you have to mark a point Q. Now he is asking you, is the point A in its interior or in its exterior? Now, as I told you, point A lies on the triangle. Now coming to question number 2. Now one figure is given and you have to answer the questions. First question, identify three triangles in the figure. Now, which are the three triangles? Triangle ABC, triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Now, write the names of 7 angles. Now, as you see, there are 7 angles. Now, which are they? Angle ABC, angle ACB, angle BAD, angle DAC, angle ADB, angle ADC and angle BAC. These are the 7 angles in the figure. Now, third one, write the names of 6 line segments. Now, there are 6 line segments. As you know, line segments have 2 endpoints. So, don't forget to put the symbols. Now, which are the line segments? AB, BC, CA, AD, BD and DC. Now fourth question, which two triangles have angle B as common? Now as we see, angle B is common to triangle ABC and triangle ABD. So this is about exercise 4.4. Now moving on to quadrilateral. Now, after a three-sided figure called triangle, we will move on to a four-sided polygon, that is a quadrilateral. Now, a quadrilateral is a four-sided figure. So, as the name suggests, it has four sides and four angles. Now, which are the sides? AB, BC, CD and DA are the four sides. And angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D are the four angles of the quadrilateral. Now, AB and BC, they have a common vertex. B is the common vertex to the sides AB and BC. So, we say AB and BC are adjacent sides. Okay, they have a common vertex. AB and DC are opposite sides. Now, these are opposite sides and they have no vertex in common. Okay, कोई भी vertex common नहीं है AB and DC. So, they are called opposite sides. Now, angle A and angle B are adjacent angles. Now, as angles, as we have seen in adjacent sides, angle A and angle B, they have a common line segment between them, that is AB. So, angle A and angle B are called adjacent angles. And angle A and angle C are opposite angles because they don't have a common line segment. ठीक है? Then, AC and BD, they are called the diagonals of the quadrilateral. The line joining the opposite angles of a quadrilateral, it is called a diagonal. Okay, now moving on to exercise 4.5. Question 1. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral PQRS. Okay, as you see, I have drawn a quadrilateral PQRS. Draw its diagonals. Okay. Now we have drawn the diagonals. Then you have to name them. Now which are the diagonals? PR and SQ are the diagonals. And is the meeting point of the diagonals in the interior or exterior of the quadrilateral? Now you have to say whether the meeting point of the diagonals. Now where is the meeting point? It is in the interior of the quadrilateral. Now moving on to question number 2. Draw a rough sketch of a quadrilateral KLMN. So I have drawn the quadrilateral. Now we will answer the questions. Now you have to state two pairs of opposite sides. Now opposite sides means they don't have a common vertex, that is KL and MN. Okay, you have to write pairs. Two pairs of opposite angles. Now opposite angles means they will not have a common line segment. Okay. So, angle L and angle N, they are opposite angles. Angle K and angle M are opposite angles. And two pairs of adjacent sides. Now, two pairs of adjacent sides means they will have a common vertex. So, we can say KL and LM are adjacent sides. MN and NK are adjacent sides. Okay. Then two pairs of adjacent angles. Adjacent angles, they will have a common line segment. So, we say angle K and angle L and angle L and angle M are adjacent angles. So, this is about exercise 4.5. Thank you.